Let's welcome Natalie on the stage. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So as you have heard, Europe is aging. Europe is lagging behind its competitiveness. There is this unsurmountable digital skill gap, deep tech skill gap, and I have just 5 minutes to tell you how we are going to train 1 million talent in deep tech areas. So let's dive in. So EIT Deep Tech Talent Initiative is indeed funded by EIT, launched by EIT, but implemented through a variety of partners because, as we heard, 1 million people, it's quite a lofty goal. We cannot do it alone. I cannot do it alone. My team cannot do it alone. EIT cannot do it alone. We have to do it through our partners. Therefore, EIT Deep Tech Talent Initiative is a partner-driven initiative. So who are our partners? What the benefits for joining? How you can join? And indeed, 1 million, is it a lot or maybe not so much? So let's start with who are our partners. We are a very inclusive initiative, and we are welcoming big companies, for example, Intel, NVIDIA, and also small startups, for example, startup from Latvia, Orbit, that creates programs for skill profiles based on some space technology. We also welcome traditional training providers, like universities. Once again, shining example from Latvia is Riga Technical University, training people from cybersecurity to AI, from semiconductors to biotech. But also non-traditional training providers. Commercialization Reactor is our wonderful example of their program of bringing tech entrepreneurs and scientists together. Indeed did win the first place in our competition last year. So we also have NGOs providing fantastic training opportunities for those people who are removed from employment or who are in a difficult life circumstances. The example from the region that comes from mine is Czech Republic, Czechitas. They create cybersecurity training programs for women. Women are underrepresented in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a giant field with a lot of demand, and this program works very well. And the cherry on the top, they also roll out this program for Ukrainian refugees women who are in Czech Republic. So NGOs, and obviously we also welcome funding partners. We have some discretional funds. We are right now running a call for proposals. But we also welcome additional partners to create new training programs in high-in-demand areas. So in a nutshell, it's the biggest hub in talent and training in Europe we are building. And if you want to be part of this hub, you can look at us online and join. Joining is free. You need to pledge. Pledge means a promise. You need to promise to train a number of talents. As of today, we have 170 partners, 850 talent pledged. In 1 year, we trained 175,000 talent. And yes, 1 million, is it a lot or a little? So population of Latvia is about 1-point-something million. So let's suppose in Latvia there is 1 million of trainable people, if we sort of don't count the babies and maybe the very advanced age pensioners. Let's imagine that we train all those people, all those 1 million of training Latvians in deep tech. That would unlock giant potential for innovation, for economic growth, etc. So this is one scale, Latvia, 1 million people. Now, European scale. In Europe, we are between 500 and 700 million people, depending how you count. 1 million, it's a drop in the ocean. So let's suppose we train even 1/3 of European population, even in basic deep tech skills. That would really unlock human potential. So someone said yesterday that the next decade is going to be deep tech decade. We all are going to be deep tech entrepreneurs. For that, We need skills, we need talent, we need training, and that's why EIT launched Deep Tech Talent Initiative, and that's why you all are welcome to join. And we're also changing a paradigm, but I will save this for the panel.